Hey, this is Chaporno. Today I'm going to show you how to write SEO optimized blog posts with ChatGPT in WordPress, okay? Very, very simple. By using this WordPress plugin that I'll tell you at the end of this video how you can get it, okay? And you'll be able to do the same thing that I'm doing today that I'm showing you, and you'll be able to take your WordPress website to a whole different level and start getting more traffic, sales, and leads for your business, okay? So stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you how you can get this powerful WordPress plugin that creates content with the help of ChatGPT, okay? So here we go. So I picked this topic right here. So I picked write me 10 reasons why on-page SEO is so important. So I'm going to put this right here also in the description. You can always add more information in this section to write even more detailed an article, but I'm just going to show you the basics while we make this video so I can show you how powerful this is, okay? Right here, you can write your article in any length that you want. I say usually write it anywhere from 1,500 to 3,000, but like I said, once you get access to this powerful WordPress plugin, you will be able to play with it and see what works best for you and your WordPress website and your particular niche, okay? I'm just going to do 2,000 right here, 2,000 words for this video. Now you're going to get access to choose what kind of language you want to use. Right now we have 39. We'll always be adding more as we can, but I'm going to be putting using English. The writing style I'm just going to use right here. Let's see here. I'm going to use professional. Right there's 20 different writing styles that you can choose from. Like I said, I'm choosing professional. And then writing tone, there's 10 writing tones. I'm just going to go down here and I'm just going to click on educational. Now, these are powerful features right here. You always want to keep the SEO optimized feature on, because what this is going to do, this is going to make sure that your article with ChatGPT is SEO optimized to make sure that it gets first page ranking in Google, Yahoo, and the other search engines like Bing and all the other ones out there, okay? This tab right here, this SEO optimized, is getting updated all of the time to make sure that your articles are written with SEO optimized to make sure that they rank the best that they can in the search engines. The next one is the generate tags. This is really important when Google or other search engines come to your site to read your article. The tags help the search engines know more about what your article is about, okay? Keep this one checked also, generate FAQs. Most people, when they come to your website, they have questions. So this right here will allow people to read the frequently asked questions and a lot of times get the questions that they have answered, okay? Now right here, generate a conclusion. You always want your articles to have a conclusion because people kind of wrapping things up and, giving people kind of a, rerun of what you talked about, okay? The next one right here is very powerful, okay? You can actually choose to add a YouTube video to your article that you're writing, okay? What that does is that allows people to stay on your page longer and read your article and watch the video. And when Google and other search engines see that people are staying on your website long or longer, that allows them to know that your page is very important and the information is important to those people. So what they do is that allows the other search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo to rank your articles higher so other people can see it, since they assume that other people like your article, so they want to show it to other people, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly how simple and how fast this works, okay? So what we did is, you don't put any information right here, you just put it all right here, okay? You don't touch any of this. You just put your title in here, you put your description, you put how many words you want, we put 2,000, the language we chose English, the writing style we chose professional, the writing tone we chose educational, and then we kept all these tabs. So what we're going to do is, this will only take like anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds to create this article, and it will create the article title also, okay, and the tags like we said. And what we do is right here is just click generate. So we'll just wait here just a second, okay? This will not take long at all. It's already generated it, but it hasn't shown it up here yet, okay? But right here, it's shown you the article title right here, okay? So we'll just wait a second, and it'll be here just in a few more seconds, okay? So in just a second, we're going to see right here the article written, and then we're going to get an opportunity right here to pick out a YouTube video that we want to go with our article that we have created in WordPress with ChatGPT, okay? So we'll just wait here just a second. It'll be here any second. It's just going through finding the best YouTube videos to use that you can choose from. So we'll just wait here. So we're just waiting here just a sec, and it should be here in just a moment. Alrighty. There's the tags right here that I was talking about that I will add that will allow the search engines to see what your article is talking about. Okay, so here we go. These are the article, or these are the videos that they found out that's talking about the SEO. We're just going to click right here on this particular one. Okay, so now what we've done is clicking on that has put it right here at the top, so that people will start watching that and then reading your article right here. Okay, and it's that simple. Okay, now if you want to create a image, all you have to do is click right here, just click SEO or anything that you want right here. I'm just going to pick dog right here just to make it simple, so you can just see. I'm just doing it for this article right here, so you can just see how simple it is. So we'll just click on generate, and this will find different pictures of dogs. Okay, and then you can do it on SEO too. I'm just showing you how simple it is. Okay, so here's some dogs. So what you can do is you can click on this right here, and if you click on upload, what it's going to do is it's going to come over to your WordPress where all the images are loaded, and it's going to save it right there. And then what you can do is you can post it anywhere in your article. So if you want to get this powerful WordPress plugin that creates content for you with ChatGPT in your WordPress website, you want to click the link below, and it will take you to this page right here, My Content Creator Pro. You sign up for the elite version, and you will get access to the plugin that allows you to do what I did today with this article, making it search engine optimized for your WordPress blog post in WordPress with ChatGPT. Okay, thanks again for watching. I'll see you in another video. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.